here we're adding a fraction to a mixed number, but this time we're going to find our answer by changing the mixed number to an improper fraction. So as an improper fraction, 2 and 2/5 is 12/5. That's because to change a mixed number to an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number by the denominator, and 2 times 5 is 10, and then we add the numerator, and 10 plus 2 is 12, and the denominator of our improper fraction stays the same. We're adding 3/5, and we know that when we add fractions, the denominator stays the same, and we add the numerators. 12 plus 3 is 15, so we have 15/5 as our answer. Now, remember, a fraction is really a division, and 15 divided by 5 is exactly 3 with no remainder, so our answer is just 3. So sometimes when we're adding fractions or when we're adding fractions to mixed numbers, we can get a whole number as our answer. Now, 2 and 3/4 plus 2/4. So let's change 2 and 3/4 into an improper fraction. 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11/4 is the same as 2 and 3/4. And we're adding 2/4. So we keep the denominator the same in our answer. 11 plus 2 is 13. So as an improper fraction, our answer is 13/4. But we can change that back into a mixed number by dividing. 13 divided by 4 is 3 remainder 1, and the denominator stays the same. So our answer is 3 1/4. Now 1 and 3/6 plus 5/6. So let's change 1 and 3/6 to an improper fraction. 1 times 6 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9/6 is our improper fraction, and we're adding 5/6. So the denominator stays the same, and 9 plus 5 is 14. So as an improper fraction, our answer is 14/6. But if we want to change that back to a mixed number, we can divide. 14 divided by 6 is 2 remainder 2. That's because 2 times 6 is 12, and then we need 2 more to get to 14, and our denominator stays the same, so our answer is 2 2/6. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.